Alright y'all, it's Big Al here. Welcome back to another episode of Stock Lock Sunday. This time around we got a pretty special lock, I think. It's the ABUS Plus 8840. This one here I've had for quite some time. It was kindly sent to me and given to me by the one and only Chris Capune. Chris, thank you again for the lock. This one I got without a key. It is a disc detainer lock. This is one that I've been practicing on probably the most. As far as learning how to do disc detainer locks. This lock has probably taught me more about picking disc detainer locks than any other lock I got. Since then, I've bought the larger one, the ABUS, this one's a 3755, another beautiful ABUS lock. And then just recently I got the Big Daddy, the 3780. This thing is a beast. Haven't picked neither one of those yet, but this one here I have, but I haven't done it on camera yet, so I'm hoping maybe this time around I'll have a little bit of luck. The trick is, and if you watch Lock Picking Lawyer like most of us do, the trick is first to just get the disc, or yeah, just to get them into a gate. Not necessarily the true gate, but a gate first. Like I said, I don't have a key for this, so I can't show it's working. But yeah, so the trick is to try to get the discs into a gate, and then you go back through and try to get them into the correct gate, which is the bigger gate. So let me see if I can't get this thing going here. This is not an easy lock to pick. It's got the ABUS Plus core in it. And I can tell you, it's got false gates. This one here is not, I can't disassemble this one. Like I said, right now I'm just trying to get them into a gate, just any gate. And it's not an easy task. Okay, I feel like I got that one in a gate. Okay, that one's an A gate. Okay, next one. Felt good. Next one. That one felt good. Okay. It felt okay. Alright, now I come back up. All the way back to the top. And now we try and go for the gate. That's the spinner. Okay, disc. Next disc, okay. Now that one feels like it's in the right gate. Go to the next disc. Honestly, that feels like it's in the right gate. Next disc. That one's not. There it is. And that's how that's done. So, like I said, this lock here, I've been practicing on it, so this lock has taught me a hell of a lot about picking disc detainer locks. But Chris, there you go. I am so stoked to get this thing picked on camera, especially to show you, my friend, because I know it's been quite the challenge. So there it is. That'll do this episode of wrap this episode of Stock Lock Sunday up with the ABUS Plus 8840. And that's how that's done. Golly, that felt good. All right, thank you all very much for watching. As always, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you comment, I will get back to you. All right, thanks again, Chris. Appreciate you. Hey y'all, I just realized I forgot something pretty important. We forgot all about last week's Padlock giveaway. We're still going with the logo lock, the 200A Padlock from Pacific Lock Company, and I forgot all about the giveaway after I got that lock picked. So the winner for 9/22/19, which was last Stock Lock Sunday, the winner for that is Bryce Reinsel. I hope I'm saying that right, Bryce. Bryce Reinsel, maybe. Bryce, you're going to need to contact me at this email address right there, ASAP, with a mailing address so I can get that lock out to you. All right? All right, I apologize I forgot that in the first video, but that'll do it. All right? Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you all so much for being a part of this. Like I always say, this is a we thing, not a me thing. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right? Big Al, signing out.